Hello viewer, we are going to use the designs and so make a structure. Let's try to use the designs again. Here is a different designs. It's a structure here, so we can make another design on that surface. So let's use the shapes here. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.